All right, this one, it says graph the parabola. On the assignment, what it's going to do is at the bottom of the graph here, it's going to give you options, like I think straight lines, just points, and then it may show a parabola. I think it's just, let's see if I can do this. It's going to be something like this. It'll show, that's a parabola. Let's pretend like it's a parabola. And then it may show like 2 points on there. All you need is 2 points, okay? So when we graph a parabola, we just need some points to put on there, at least from what I remember anyways. Now, you notice as well, in this one, it did not give us a table to work with. That's okay. We can still do this. All we have to do is choose the values ourselves. Now, this one's set up a little bit different, right? Now it's y equals some stuff with x. It's not x plus y equals some stuff. What this means is that if we start choosing x values, we can find the y value directly. We won't need principles of equality. The calculator will do the heavy lifting for us, okay? So just right off the bat, I like to start with something easy, like 0. And that's not a 0 we would want to ignore. We want to keep that 0 right there, okay? So I've chosen an x value that's 0. Like I said, I'm going to be choosing only x values because it's going to make calculating in this equation very easy. And so I go to the equation, right? I say y equals negative 2x squared plus 3, and I replace the x with 0. Now, you can use a calculator for this. I don't need one because I know anything times 0 is 0. So I get to skip that term right there. But what I find then is that y equals 3. That's why I like to start with 0. So I have the point 0.03. Boom, there's a point. Now we got to choose another point. So I'm going to choose another easy value like 1. But again, it's the x value, right? So I got y equals negative 2x squared plus 3. But I need to replace the x value with 1 because that's the order. Sorry, that's the x value that I chose. Now I could put this in the calculator. Okay, so negative 2 times 1 to the power of 2 plus 3, boom, I get 1. So the ordered pair 1, 1. Now, from what I remember, I think that's all you need on the assignment. But I'm going to continue because I'm having so much fun. So I'm going to choose another point here. Maybe I'll just do it till I run out of colors. But I'm going to choose an x value. I'm going to choose negative 1. Dang it, that's for my x value. Okay, so let's go back to the equation. Y equals 2x squared, negative 2x squared, dang it, plus 3. Okay, but again, I'm going to replace the x with negative 1. Now with the negative here, if you're going to put this into the calculator, make sure you use parentheses around the negative 1. But when I do that, I find that the y value is 1. And that may seem weird. But I now have the ordered pair. Wait a second. I made a mistake. Okay, so I do make a lot of mistakes. I just made a mistake in thinking that I made a mistake. Sorry. Expect me to make lots of mistakes. I don't care that I make mistakes, but some students do, and I still will make some. But this is good. That should be good. Negative 1, 1, boom, that's that point right there. So you can see that a parabola it's just a curved line like this. I want to stop there, but I'll do one more.
It's just going to be flipped, right? It's going to be the other way?
Yes, it is. And now we're going to prove that, though, kind of. I'm going to choose the value 2, because 2, for me at least, would be the next easiest value to work with. Negative 2x squared plus 3, right? And so let's replace the x with 2. Put this in the calculator. Boom. Y equals, oh crap, negative 5. Okay, so that would be 2, negative 5. 2, negative 5. Boom. Now, the nice thing about parabolas is if I were to, I'm not going to do it just for the sake of time, really, but if I were to put negative 2 in there, I would still get negative 5. Okay, and so I get negative 2, negative 5. But you see that this is symmetric. I'm going to put what's called the line of symmetry, which we're going to go over later, but that's the line of symmetry. All right, crap, here we go. So I'm going to try to draw this. Now, I don't think you guys know enough right now to know how bad that sucks, but I'm gonna keep it. There we go, let's try the other side. Ugh, crap. That one was bad. Okay, that one's okay because of this. I did it, so. You guys are gonna be doing this on the computer, so it'll look a lot better. When you do the test, of course, it'll be on paper, but